Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to calculate percentage in Excel. So guys, suppose we have a table here. So in B column we have obtained marks, and in C column we have total marks. So in column D we are going to calculate or get our percentage in this column. So how can we do that? So guys, to find percentage, we just need what we need to do only. We just need to divide B cells by C cells. So how can we do that? Suppose if first of all equal sign, and then select a cell here and divide and select another cell which is total marks, fine, and after entering you will get decimal here. So but we want a percentage, and usually if we want to convert a decimal into percentage, we usually need to multiply by 100. So we are going to have a trick here. You just need to do one thing here. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage. It will automatically convert your decimal into percentage here. So now if we want to apply this same thing to the other cell as well in the same column, so what we need to do, we just need to drag this dot, square shaped dot, to the all the cells of the column, and as you can see it has calculated a percentage in all cells of the same column. And we just need to apply the formula in one cell, and to apply formula to other cell we just need to copy the formula to other cell. So by just dragging this point to the other cells, you will your formula will be copied to all cells and your formula will be applied. So that's how you can find the percentage in Excel. I hope you like it. See in the next video. If you guys, suppose if we just multiply 100 here, we are not going to apply Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage. If we just multiply by 100, so it is already applied here. First of all, let me remove the formula here. Now suppose I just want to multiply by 100, I will get here 72.5. it is not showing any percentage sign here, but once we apply, we just need to divide obtained marks by total marks. And now we just need to press, first of all we need to enter here, and now select the cell, and now press Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage sign, and as you can see it converts the decimal into percentage. But the point is here, when I multiplied by 100, it was 72.5. now it is showing 73%. So when we convert into this, when we find the percentage in Excel, so it just round off and find the 2-digit percentage here. So guys, now we are going to apply the formula to the other cell as well, and see it changed all the value. So because I guys to add the value here, I just applied the random. That's why its value is changing continuously by pressing 2 times in a cell. So as you can see, the value is changing after clicking 2 times. So yeah, so that's how you can calculate the percentage in Excel. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam. Till then, bye bye.